In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Canva for Google Workspace. So when you log into your Canva account, you can just come to apps over here and you'll be able to see this feature, Canva for Google Workspace. You can just click on it and you just follow the process to install Canva for Google Workspace. It just takes a second to just install it. And once you click on install, it will bring you over here, so you can just add it in as an add-in. Okay, so but it will just appear on all of your workspace in Google Drive, in Gmail, and so on. So let's start testing it. I've just added mine, so let's test it on one of my Google accounts. So assuming I'm in this account, I can come to compose and I can come down here. You'll be able to see add Canva design over here. You just have to log into your Canva account and you can select any of the designs that you have. You'll be able to add it to the email that you're going to send. I've just selected one of my designs and you can see it's just been added. You can just type in the email that you want to send and put in the subject, and then you can be able to send. Now the receiver can click on this and you have access to this design, and then you can continue to work on it. So you can just go ahead and click on send to this, right? So if you find this helpful, please leave a like.